Hi, this is Jim LaJoy from Soul Cook. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble your all-season solar cooker after a great day of solar cooking. We'll fold it in a few different ways for easy storage. First, you need to remove all your hardware. Be sure to have your hardware bag nearby to place all the nuts, bolts, and your sun sight. I always attach my bag to the elevation bar so as not to lose it. Now for the first folding option. A simple fold in half will give you the flattest result. Here is another method for the flattest option. Be sure that the reflective side is always folded inward to protect it. One more fold will give you a long, narrow storage option. Lastly, we will fold the oven into its original packaged shape. Starting with the oven flat, reflective side up, we fold in the first side panels. Then that section gets tucked under. The next two sets of side panels are folded in. That section gets folded over, then under. Fold in the final remaining side panels and place your elevation bars, hardware kit, and rack on top. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.